Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to fix there is a problem with your request ChatGPT. See, this is the problem. Okay, let's fix it. After that, now go back your home screen and check your internet connection. First of all, go to your phone setting and follow my step. Scroll down, now tap on apps. Scroll down, now search for ChatGPT apps. Now tap on ChatGPT. Scroll down, now tap on storage. Clear cache and clear data. Now tap on force stop. Now tap on permission and all permission. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your Play Store, update your ChatGPT apps. Search bar, now search for ChatGPT apps. It is already updated. Now go back your home screen and restart your device. Now tap on ChatGPT. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. Thank you.